Hi, my name is Keval and today I am going to present our work on AnyShot sequential anomaly detection and surveillance videos. Due to the exponential increase in number of CCTV cameras, human surveillance has become nearly impossible. Traditional deep learning based approaches fail to learn new patterns from few samples. Here we present our proposed approach. We use transfer learning to extract appearance, location and motion features. The sequential anomaly detector learns from few samples and updates its definition of normality. We also provide an asymptotic upper bound on the false alarm rate which can easily be computed from the training data. This can be used to choose the threshold edge that satisfies the desired false alarm rate. We test our proposed approach on benchmark datasets such as the UCSD, Avenue and Shanghai Tech where we surpass the state-of-the-art results. Specifically for the UCSD dataset, we show that our proposed approach is able to learn from few samples and outperform other state-of-the-art methods. AnyShot learning should considerably improve the current video surveillance capabilities. Thank you.